Hello, it's How To Not To, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save on your energy bills by using less detergent. That's right, less detergent. They are expensive. I mean, you're talking about £10 or just under for this bottle here. So this one here will give you 42 washes, and it's 1,386 ml, and yeah, so this is just under £10. Some of them are the ones that do 50 washes are about £9 or £10, so that's quite an expensive purchase. And if you regularly do your laundry, obviously that's going to cost you a lot over the long term. Did you know that you don't need to fill a whole cap here? Or you need to fill, I mean, if you've got really dirty laundry, then yes, obviously you would need to have more liquid detergent. So if you've got normal laundry that isn't soiled or hasn't got grease, etc., then you would only need to fill it up to that point there. I think it's 35 ml. That's all you need for a standard load. So what I would suggest you do, mix it with water as well. I do mix my detergent with water to make it last longer. As I said, you don't need that much detergent. And detergent is made up of water anyway, so adding water is not going to make any difference to the wash. It will still get your clothes washed as normal. Okay, so let's begin this video. I'm just going to fill it part way, and as this is running out, I'm going to fill this up with a bit of water. Well, that's all that's required. That's all you need really to wash your clothes. So I'm going to add this to the drum first, and then add my clothes. Right, let's begin. I'm not going to use any conditioner on this load, and I'm just going to do the mixed load today. 40 degrees, 2 washes, rinses, washes, and that's going to take 1 hour 6 minutes to do. And my battery's running low, so I'm just going to charge that up and I'll be right back.